today's video, I'm going to show you how to close your Zoho Mail account safely and easily. Whether you're switching services or simply want to remove your account, I'll guide you through every step. First, open your web browser and go to Accounts, zoho.com. Log in with your Zoho credentials. This is necessary to access your account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select My Account from the menu. This will take you to your account settings page. Next, on the left hand sidebar, scroll down until you see Close Account. Click it to begin the account deletion process. Zoho will show a warning message explaining the consequences of closing your account. Read this carefully so you know exactly what will happen. After that, enter your account password to verify that you are the rightful owner. Then click the Close Account button. Zoho might ask for optional feedback and may send a confirmation email to finalize the closure. Be sure to check your email and follow any instructions if prompted. And that's it. Your Zoho Mail account is now closed. Always double check that you've completed any email confirmations to ensure the process is fully finished. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials.